In order to add a voiceover on iMovie on an iPhone, all you want to do is you want to open up your project, then you want to go ahead and select where you want the voiceover to start. So let's say we wanted to start our voiceover in the start of the timeline, but if you want to add a voiceover somewhere else at another point in the timeline, then just go ahead and move it to that. So all you want to do is you want to press on this plus button right over here, and it's going to be towards the left side. And then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on the option that says voiceover. And it is going to say iMovie would like to access the microphone. You will need to adjust your settings. So go ahead and press on settings just like so. Then go ahead and just make sure that microphone is turned on. Then return back over to iMovie. Then go ahead and do the same thing. Press on voiceover, and then you're able to go ahead and record it. And then when you are ready to record, go ahead and press on this red button that says record, and then it is going to give you a little timer so you know exactly when to actually speak. And then there you go. Afterwards, it is going to begin talking. It is going to record your voice and stuff like that. And when you're ready to stop, go ahead and press on stop just like so. And then there you go. We now have the recording. You're able to go ahead and either cancel it, retake it. You could review it. So let's go ahead and review it right here. So you can go ahead and see if it's actually good or not. And if it's to your liking, then you could press on accept. Or if not, go ahead and press on cancel. So iMovie thankfully makes it incredibly easy. So that's definitely a major plus. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.